This is MSR's Elixir 2 backpacking tent.
As much or little as you want, and then you can roll it up and neatly stash it away.
So now we're going to talk about closed cell foam mattresses. Hey YouTube, today we're going to be talking about Patagonia and how you can dress for almost any activity in any weather with just 3 simple pieces of Patagonia equipment. I'm going to be taking a look at the men's better sweater jacket, the tortoiseshell jacket, and Patagonia's down sweater. Patagonia's better sweater jacket is a really great fleece sweater. It is, as you can see, it's a very tight to the body fit, which allows more warmth to be trapped close to your body, and also allows it to be a great layer to wear underneath other sweaters or other jackets. Now we have the Patagonia down sweater. This is their puffy jacket that's made with the down insulation. It is really great for keeping you super warm and has basically the best warmth to weight ratio on the market for a down mid layer. As you can see, due to the very close to body fit of the better sweater, it goes over really nicely and still fits close to the body for that extra warmth. The benefit of this having multiple layers allows you to be able to take off a jacket or quickly unzip it even to adjust how warm you are if you need to. So this is a super warm setup right now. I am very warm and comfortable. However, if there were to be a cold wind or some rain, the down insulation would get wet or isn't very wind resistant either. So you pair that with a rain jacket, which can be used in the summer over a t-shirt. It's great, or you can use it as your winter jacket as well, using some other layers underneath. The shell is great and has a bit more of a looser fit, allowing you to wear it all seasons with other clothing underneath. This is a bit of a larger jacket for the purpose of this video, so you could add a bit more layers if you really needed to as well. One great thing about layering, however, is that you can switch up your what you have on really quickly to adjust for different warmth or changes in temperature, or if you're switching up your activity and you need something a bit warmer, if you're going to be sitting around a bit more. Let's say we were hiking all day and we finally get to the campsite. I'm still warm, but now we're going to be sitting around more, and I'm going to want a little bit of extra warmth around my core body area. I can super easily quickly take off my shell and add an extra, let's say, bivy vest to this setup as well. I now have some of that extra warmth and can quickly put my shell back on. If we were doing an activity and we were getting a little too warm, we could quickly take off a layer, put it into our backpack, and now I'm still ready to go. I can put my shell back on, and we've super quickly controlled my temperature without having to slow down the group or really take time away from our desired activity. It's really great if the temperature quickly changes. It becomes sunny when there was clouds overcast at first, and a lot of great options. If you enjoyed our video, please click the link below to subscribe. I'll catch you next time.